we are kind of planning and thinking that probably there are people who have already learned in some institute, which is fine. They have got some, ground level learning for it. And we are saying you don't have to relearn everything again, but actually come and solve, say, 10, 20 projects under the mentorship of these industry practitioners, right? So say they are solving a finance lending project, and someone who actually practices that is coming and mentoring for that project. And that is kind of developing a portfolio of projects that they can speak about, and also strengthens their learning, which they have got wherever they have got, right? So do you think even, that would be helpful for these learners?
That would be an amazing approach, right? We have data everywhere. Everywhere we can get the data. It's not important that you have to get a problem. You can create an opportunity by yourself. We have millions of data on our government websites, on so many other platforms, right? Pick up a domain, as you mentioned, pick up a domain expert, work with a domain expert, and try to solve that problem. It could be an industry problem, it could be a product problem, it could be a domain problem, right? That is how you're going to get the confidence. And once you solve it, it starts becoming better when you go to the next product. And whenever you are venturing into and applying for the role, that is always going to be handy than any other experience what you have, because you have tried your hands on. How many people can say that, right? We have struggled, we have created our opportunities when we had, right? So if we had this opportunity, we would have done it much faster, right? So that is what is going to make them a better analyst, make them a better data and insight person, and give them that edge, which is going to be very helpful for the business people as well, right? They can utilize their expertise. So I believe it is going to be an amazing experience if that can come into the picture, and it could be part of a curriculum. It is going to be a great learning platform.